The next kind of style we're going to look at is the clean and natural style. So, the most important thing about the clean natural style is color balance. You really want your photograph to look as again natural as possible. So you want it to almost look like you're not even looking at a picture. You want it to look like you're looking at the scene or person in real life, in real time. So to do that, you obviously have to have the proper color balance. That way, otherwise, if it is thrown off, it will be very obviously edited. So you want the perfect color balance. A lot of times with the clean natural style, to get like that clean feel, you're probably going to up your brightness a little bit. So typically these are brighter pictures. They do feel a lot lighter. You also are going to want to make sure that you're sharpening, because again, you want it to look like it's taken in real time. You want it to look like you're looking at a real object and not a photograph. So you're going to want to sharpen your photograph a little bit, but obviously not too much to the point that it is super obvious. So just enough that you can see all the details, but not so much that every little detail is super emphasized. You'll also want to make sure the lighting is fairly smooth. So you see how her skin looks very smooth, and the highlights and shadows are, go really smoothly across like her face and neck and stuff like that. So that is definitely part of the goal. Overall, the biggest thing about this type of editing style is you don't want to over edit anything. You don't want to overdo it.